When you guys have a collection account on your credit reports and you guys send them a validation of debt letter and you're telling them to validate the debt, they cannot just tell you to contact the hospital because they're the ones that's reporting on your credit report. You want them to send you information that they have to show that it should be on your credit report, because on your credit report it's not the name of the hospital, it's them. So do not let these collection companies just tell you contact the hospital. They need to have proof that they're able to put it on your credit report because they have their name there. They do not have the hospital name. So do not back down from these medical bill companies, or these collection companies that have the medical bills. You need to tell them that they need to get the information from the hospital, because if you're telling me to contact the hospital, that means you don't have the correct information and you should not be collecting on this debt. Now, I'm not an attorney. Contact an attorney for sure. But with my medical bills, I just sent them a letter asking them to validate the debt, and they always most likely removed it from my credit reports. Now, I have a letter to you guys you can send in for collections. You can send it in. The only thing is, it's just for collections. So make sure you guys put on there that it's a HIPAA violation. If you're a member, contact me. I'm already have like an order in which I, work to remove those medical bills from your credit reports. But if you're not a member, then let me show you these letters that I have, because this may be a great thing for you to send in to have them remove it. So go to my website, Rickita.com. And once you go to my website, then you'll see right here, I have a lot of dispute letters. So for late payment, student loans, collections, charge off, and then bankruptcies, right? So you want to use this collection letter right here. And with the collection letters, you can see these are from people that their credit score went up from removing a collection. So 113 points, 87 points. You'll want to send these letters in to the credit bureaus. And also I give you a letter to send in to the companies, the collection companies directly. So you want to send it to them directly. And if it's a medical bill, you want to put that it's a HIPAA violation. And I believe I put terminology, like terms in there, that they're re-aging the account. You can also include that. So write that down. It's a HIPAA violation. Write it anywhere. Hey, this account is a HIPAA violation. And then put the name of the account, whether it's AmeriCollect or whoever it is. If you have the account number, put the account number. If you don't have the account number, just put the balance on there. And then you can put the other terms, but just put delete this from my credit reports today. So definitely check this out. It's literally just $27 and you're getting 6 letters. Like, I put this together because right now we're really going through something, and I see a lot of people, they're unable to afford to like just pay for the membership. So I created all these letters. You literally can pay $27 and get the letters for your collections. Pay $27 and get the letters to remove that bankruptcy. Remove the bankruptcy can change your life. So don't sleep on that, you guys. So definitely check that out, and do not accept them saying that to contact the hospital. No, I'm contacting you because you have it on my credit reports. So follow up with them about that. Do not let them just say contact the hospital. Make sure that they're doing what they need to do to remove that account from your credit reports and stop collecting on that debt. But I'm not an attorney. Get an attorney. That's just what I personally